Let's create an invest or lend post. On the top toolbar, click on Invest or Lend. Under the Post and Find Opportunities section, notice we have a few choices. First choice, invest in a project. That's a post your investment and assets criteria and connect to opportunities. The second choice, invest in a fund. Post your investment and fund criteria and connect to fund opportunity. Number 3, investment property. Find an income producing investment property to acquire. Number 4, find an operating partner. Add an operating partner requirement to your profile, your company, or fund post. Then the last one, lend, post loan. You can select as many options you need to post a loan and its lending criteria. You'll be matched to the right borrowers and opportunities. Let's choose the invest in a project choice as our example right here. We'll click on that. And you have some different choice. Now remember, each section will have a different choice, but in what capacity will you invest? We'll choose a limited partner, preferred investor, which is invest as a limited partner, or preferred equity investor. You also have the other choice, general partner, partner level investor, which is invest as a general partner. For example, let's just pick limited partner, preferred investor, and then create the new post. All right, first we'll start with the general info section. You can upload a picture right here by clicking on the upload photo link. We'll skip that part for now. We're going to upload a picture later on anyway. For now, we'll name the project. Let's type in looking to invest. Notice that the second field has a post expired. The system automatically sets an expiration date of 3 months ahead, but you can edit that if you like. We'll put a short description next, perhaps looking to invest in a project. Now on the right-hand side, you can enter your contact name, email, and your contact phone number. There's also a checkbox here that says same as personal profile, and we'll just check that, and that'll bring the data in right away. We'll scroll down a little bit. Notice the next section, this equity post will be linked to your profile. You can click on that checkbox to also link the post to my company, and then choose the company you want to link it to. And then to the right, the checkbox, allow members of the company to edit, manage this post. This allows other members of your company to edit this post, so we'll just check that for our demonstration. Then the description, we'll type in a description here, put something like, we'll just put looking to invest in a project. Now the next section, location where you do business. Here you can add multiple locations. It's powered by Google Map. You can type in a zip code, for example, an address. For example, we'll just type in a zip code here just to show you, but then we'll delete it, and then we'll type in New York. And you see New York will pop up right away. We'll click that, and then we're going to scroll down to the next section. And here's some more information. Now, a lot of these fields are optional, but notice that if you see the red star, that red asterisk there is a required field, okay? So we are, we'll use the drop down and select, we'll just say we're a corporate investor, but you'll see choices like bank, corporate investor, EBS program, so on and so forth. We invest in, it's already automatically selected direct in project, and we'll use the drop down just to show you there's more choices as well. Notice next to each field, RealConnex, we are completely aware of the sensitivity of your projects and your confidentialities. Each of the fields have a little lock that if that lock is checked, and we'll just check it right now just to show you, but if you check it, that means that that field is locked. If anybody wants to see it, they have to reach out to you and get permission before they can see this section. Other information that we ask of you, like again, some of these are optional, like for example, the lower ones, this one, equity offer is required. Those little red star next to the equity required, so that's a required field, but you know, you have choices like GP equity, common equity, LP equity. LP equity is checked by default. As we scroll down, there's the investment amount. We're going to check LP equity just in case. So we're going to scroll down, choose investment amount. Notice that's a required field as well. We'll put in some numbers here. We'll put 2 to 10 million. Okay. Then there's minimum IR number, percentages, investment terms, minimum ROE, average decision time frame, minimum cash on cash per annum, which is a percentage. We're going to skip that. investment preferences. You got investment methods considered, property types we like, asset strategies considered, lease type, class rating. Risk profile has a red star, which is required, so we got to make sure to fill that out. We'll make sure we pick new construction for now. And then we'll scroll down. You'll see the privacies and followers section. For privacy, you can see who can see your post. And then for followers, you can control who can follow you and receive alerts. You have choices like public and private. Let's take a look at the public view for a moment. And we'll scroll down a little bit. So let's say we like this view. Let's say we like what we wrote here. We're going to scroll back to the top. We're going to click back to edit. Bring us back to the editing page. And then we're going to hit the save button at the bottom, save and publish. So I'm going to save and publish this post. Once it reloads, notice the lighthouse icon is on. Your post is now live. And thank you so much for watching the video, how to create an invest or lend post. Thank you for using RealConnex.